small. Hi, Maria. Hi. Wow.
Hey, you remember what today is, don't you?
Of course, today is Snuffy.
Forward to a skating party all week.
Oscar.
Snuffy's having a roller skating party.
Here comes the birthday boy again. Happy birthday, Snuffy.
Yeah, happy birthday.
Yes.
Hey, is everybody coming to my roller skating party?
Yeah.
Who wouldn't
We
miss
miss it
it?
for the world.
Well, I hope he learns how to skate in time for the party. And I hope I can find him a birthday present in time for the party. Because it has to be a very special present because Snuffy is my best friend in the whole world.
Oh, Snuffy, are you all right, Snuffy?
My pal Snuffy.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I'm okay. Oh, I wish I could say the same for your trash can. Sorry, Maria, I couldn't.
Take a dent out of your trash can.
Oh, Oscar.
Hey.
There might not be a next time. Look at your skates, Snuffy.
Oh,
Maybe my mom can fix them.
Hey, that's a good idea. Why don't we go ask Maria? Come on, Snuffy.
I don't know. I don't think even a fix-it person could fix these skates.
Look what happened to Snuffy's skate.
Oh.
Maria, do you think you can fix them? Oh, no. I guess this means no skating party.
No, Bird, there's still gonna be a skating party. I just will be the only one not skating, that's all.
Oh, no.
Oh,
Snuffy.
It's okay, Snuff.
Maria, it's Snuffy's birthday today. It wouldn't be right if everyone was skating except him.
Well, I know, but there's nothing we can do.
Wait a minute. Where do you look? They're in the paper.
This?
Yeah, what does that say? Be like Snuffy. Oh, poor skates. That's what I could give Snuffy for his birthday. Then he'll be able to skate at his party. Oh, Maria, would you take me to the ABCD Mart, please?
The ABCD Mart, huh? Well, you know, I know they sell trash cans, and I think I'm gonna have to buy a new one. You know,
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah. But you know what? The ABCD Mart is a very big place, so we have to make sure.
Oh, me neither. Anyway, I couldn't lose you with that bright jacket you got. Hey, maybe I should wear a bright color too so you can't lose me.
No, Big Bird, you already are a bright color.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go. Hey.
Hi.
Gabby, honey, do me a favor and tell Daddy that Big Bird and I went shopping, and we'll be back soon.
where are you going?
Oh, we're going to the ABCD Mart to buy Snuffy new skates. Don't tell him.
Oh, the ABCD Mart? That's a really big place with lots of people. I got lost there once. Yeah, it was a little scary, but I knew what to do. I found someone who worked in the store, and I told her my name and my telephone number.
But why did you give them your telephone number?
That's so they could call someone and tell them where you are.
Well, you mean like if I was lost, someone could call my Granny Bird and tell her. But I don't know her telephone number.
Come on, everybody.
This is a bad day to be a grouch.
I like to dance with friends. I like to dance alone. And when I dance, I shout the number of my phone. I raise my left hand up, and then I raise my right. I wiggle and I clap, then I shake my hips all night. 5, 5, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, hands up
Do you think that could be a start of a new dance craze?
Oh, no, I don't think so. These line dances never catch on.
Oh. Now that you're... Yeah?
Oh, Oscar. Oh, here comes the bus anyway. Come on, Big Bird, let's go shopping.
Boy, Maria, you're sure right. ABCD Mart is a huge, big store. Boy, I hope they have skates and Snuffy size.
Yeah, I hope they have a good selection of trash cans.
Yo, sheepy, sheepy, sheepy. Yo, sheepy, sheepy, sheepy. Oh, excuse me.
Oh, I'm sorry, I haven't.
Gee, I haven't seen any sheep around here either, but don't I know you?
What, Pete?
Little Bo Peep? The Little Bo Peep? Is it Little Bo Peep has lost her sheep and doesn't know where to find them?
Exactly what do your sheep look like?
Well,
How did you lose them?
when I back.
Right, sticking together so we don't get lost.
Sticking together, that is what it's all about. Sticking together, every time that we go out. If I go here, you go here too. If I go there, that's what you do. Sticking together, every time that we go out.
If you go here, I go here too. If you go there, that's what I do. Because we're sticking together every time that we go out.
Big Bird, you wandered away from me.
But it was just for a few seconds. I wanted to get a closer look at this gumball machine.
Well, yes, I know, but...
Okay, Maria. Sticking together every time that we go out. Sticking together, that is what it's all about. On every stair and escalator, we're a pair for now or later. No running, hiding, understand. We're side by side and holding hands. Sticking together every time that we go out. Sticking together, that is what it's all about.
You're right. Sticking together is very important. Oh, I wish my sheep had learned that song.
Well, do your...
Oh, yes. I told them if we get separated, they should just stay right where they are.
You mean they shouldn't leave the store to go look for you?
No. Never. They should find a person that works in the store and tell them that they're lost.
Well, how can the sheep tell who works here in the store?
I told them to look for the name tags.
Good. Your sheep have to do is find someone wearing that name tag, and they will call you over the loudspeaker.
What if the sheep can't find a person who works here in the store?
Well,
I hope I find them soon. Please, please keep an eye out for them.
we will. Good luck.
Oh, thanks. Sheep.
Bye.
Yo, sheep. Sheepy, sheep.
Gee, I hope she finds her sheep.
Yeah.
Will Little Bo Peep please report to the sod department?
I guess she found her sheep. Come on, let's go find those skates for Snuffy.
Oh, yeah.
Good afternoon. May I help you?
Hi.
Yeah, we're looking for a pair of roller skates for my good friend Snuffy.
Snuffleupagus.
Yes, and today is his birthday.
I see. And what size?
Gosh, I don't know. What do you think, Maria?
I don't know. We forgot to check.
Well, well.
I'm not sure. It's hard to tell with all that fur.
Bigger than my sandwich?
Wow, that's a big sandwich. What do you think, Maria? No, they're not that big.
Alrighty then.
No, still not as big as that. No, still not as big as that.
A little more. Perfect.
That's a very rare size indeed.
Oh.
But this just might.
You mean you have skates in Snuffy size? We need 2 fronts and 2 hinds.
Snuffy has 4 furry paws.
Yeah.
Ow!
Snuffy's gonna love those.
He sure is. We'll take them.
Yeah. Now we just have to find a trash can for you, Maria.
Right.
Cans? They'll be right down that way.
Okay, great. Well, thanks for the help.
Sure. And I'll get these over to the checkout for you.
Good, thanks.
Thanks. Bye.
Yep. Take care, bud.
This one's perfect. We'll just pay for all of our stuff, take the bus back to Sesame Street just in time for Snuffy's birthday party.
That's great.
Can I use that?
Boy, Snuffy's gonna be so happy when he sees these skates. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Oh no! Oh, skates! Come back here! Skates, stop! 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 Stop, skate! Stop! Oh no! Oh! 2. Ah ha ha! There you are, you little rascal! Wow, that was lucky. I almost lost Snuffy's brand new skate. Wow, what? Then what would we do, huh, Maria? 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 Oh. Uh-oh. I have a feeling I'm not in cans anymore. Maria! Maria is lost! Oh! Oh, Maria!
Well, thank
My voice echoes louder than I've ever heard, Maria. It's the scariest moment I've had as a bird, Maria. Maria! Maria! I just lost my friend named Maria. And suddenly the store is no fun anymore, no sir. Maria, I should have stayed close to Maria. When I let go of that skate, oh, why did I not wait for her? Maria, she told me to cut out my plane. I last saw her while she was paying. Maria, oh, where is my friend named Maria? Maria, where is my good friend Maria?
Big Bird. Oh, where is my good friend? Oh, Big Bird.
Oh, Maria! Maria? Gee, I know I'm gonna find her, but how? Think. What did Maria tell me?
Big Bird, remember, we have to stick together.
Well, it's a little too late for that. What else did she say?
Never leave the store. They should find a person that works in the store and tell them that they're lost.
But how do I know who works in this store?
Everybody that works here is wearing a name tag with a star in it that says ABCD Mart.
That's it. I just have to look for someone with a name tag. Like that. Why, she must work here. Oh, excuse me?
Yes, can I help you?
I hope so. My friend is lost.
Oh, your friend is lost. Well, sure, I can help you. I work here. I help find people who are lost all the time. We go right over there.
Okay. Big Bird.
First name Big, last name Bird. Name of the person who you were shot.
Maria Rodriguez.
Ah, Maria Rodriguez. Very good.
She was wearing a colorful jacket.
Ah, colorful jacket. Very
Orange,
good.
orange.
And the number of a close relative who is at home.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. 555-6789. That's my granny's number. 555-6789. Hands up, hands down, now rumba.
And I'm sure that Maria is looking for you too. We'll find her in no time. All right then.
Oh, where is Maria?
Gee, she should have been here by now.
Yeah, or maybe she's really, really lost. Maybe I'm never ever gonna see her again. Oh, Maria. Oh.
Bird?
Maria?
Bird!
Maria!
Oh,
Maria!
Bird! Oh,
Maria!
Bird, I'm so relieved to
What
see
happened?
you.
Where are
Thank
you?
goodness you're all right.
Me lost? I thought it was you who was lost.
Me?
Oh, right, yes. Thanks. Bye.
Whoa, these skates are the greatest. Thanks, Bird. This is my best birthday ever.
Well, that's what best friends are for, Snuffy. And we couldn't have had a skating party without you, old buddy.
For he's a jolly good fellow that nobody can deny. Yay! Happy birthday, Snuffy!
Make a wish, Snuffy.
I'll see, a wish.
Yeah, wish.